Hey everyone, Bobby here from Bipper Media. I love talking about our citation network. This is a single point platform that we've built from the ground up to help you and your business get optimized, not only for Google organic and Google Map rankings, but also for all of the AI powered platforms that your customers are using right now, ChatGPT, and really Google Search and Google Maps. They're both AI powered platforms. Our network systematizes, it unifies all of the work that you need for your business all into one single platform that we built, we manage it. Because we built it and we manage it, it allows us to optimize in the highest quality fashion your backlinks, your content, the schema markup, which is technically called JSON LD schema markup. That is the structure to optimize your business for AI search. And we're excited about this platform because not only are our current clients seeing huge results, and we have other videos where we dive deep into the results that our clients are getting, but for you, it simplifies an otherwise highly complex conversation. Our network simplifies it all for you. All we need is you to get on our network, and then our system and our platform does all the optimization for you, with us managing the quality and the authority of all of that optimization. So we have a lot of other videos talking about the citation network, but we would love for you to schedule a call with us so we can not only tell you more about our network, but how it can apply specifically to your business. So shoot us an email, give us a call, schedule a call with us, and we look forward to talking to you.